The normal blood calcium levels in the body is between 8.5 and 11 milligrams. When the blood calcium levels in the body goes above these amounts, calcium homeostasis becomes unbalanced. This is known as hypercalcemia. If hypercalcemia is left untreated, it can result in cardiac arrest. When hypercalcemia happens, the thyroid gland takes over and stimulates its parafollicular cells. The parafollicular cells are classified as second-generation endocrine cells and are also known as C cells. The C cell's job is to produce the hormone calcitonin, which helps regulate the blood calcium levels. Calcitonin inhibits osteoclasts from the bone matrix by slowing the rate of calcium that gets released from the bones. Calcitonin also triggers calcium excretion from the kidneys. Levels of calcium that are absorbed by the small intestine are also decreased at this point. Eventually, the blood calcium concentration will return to normal and the C cells will be shut off. Calcium homeostasis will then be restored. The second way calcium homeostasis is disturbed is when blood calcium levels in the body drop below the normal rate. This is known as hypocalcemia. Low blood calcium levels are more common than high blood calcium levels. If calcium levels drop too low, it can cause convulsions or muscular spasms. Low blood calcium levels are regulated by the parathyroid gland. The parathyroid's response to low calcium is to release the parathyroid hormone, or PTH. PTH causes calcium in bones to move by stimulating the osteoclasts and the osteoblasts in the bone matrix. Osteoclasts have no PTH receptors but have receptors for a growth factor called RANKL. So PTH also stimulates osteoblasts to release RANKL. The RANKL causes osteoclasts and osteoblasts to become more active. This results in accelerated release of calcium from the bones, causing blood calcium levels to rise. PTH also stimulates the kidneys to release the hormone calcitrol. Calcitrol increases the absorption levels of calcium by the small intestine of the digestive tract. PTH also helps the kidneys to reabsorb calcium, which results in less urinary loss of calcium. With all these factors in place, eventually the blood calcium levels will return to normal, restoring homeostasis once again.